Making today unforgettable. Embrace the moment. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very uplifting and motivating phrase, make today memorable. It's a call to action that encourages us to make the most out of every single day. So, let's break it down together and find out how we can apply this in our lives. Stay tuned. Make today memorable is a phrase that inspires and challenges us. To make something means to create or cause it to happen. Today refers to the current day, the present time, and memorable means something worth remembering because of its importance, uniqueness, or emotional impact. So, when we put it all together, this phrase encourages us to create moments today that are significant enough to be remembered. Why focus on today? This part of the phrase emphasizes the importance of the present moment. Often, we get caught up in our plans for the future or memories of the past, overlooking the opportunities and beauties available right now. By making today memorable, we're reminded to seize the day, carpe diem, to live in the moment, and to appreciate the present. So, how can we make today memorable? It doesn't necessarily mean doing something grand or extravagant every single day. It's about finding joy and significance in the little things. This could be taking a moment to appreciate nature, learning something new, helping someone in need, creating something, whether it's art, music, or a simple home-cooked meal, spending quality time with loved ones. The key is to be mindful and intentional with how we spend our time, making sure that we do at least one thing each day that feels meaningful or joyful. Make today memorable is more than just a phrase, it's a mindset, a way of living that encourages us to find value and happiness in the present. We hope this video inspires you to take action, to find those small moments that bring joy, and to make today and every day a bit more memorable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to live your today to the fullest. See you in our next video.